Hey YouTube, just a real quick update on plow here. I finally yesterday worked out to where my dad was in the shop welding and I was home and able to get him to help me out. We welded a nut onto this square-headed bolt that I could not get out on this right hand side of the frame. Put a wrench on it, and of course the heat did most of the work. I think it probably 50 foot-pounds is all it took to pull it out then, but we got it out. The hole got covered up on the other side here. Looks almost as bad as this one that just had a bolt through it and a nut on the other side. I'll probably put it back that way because it's just so in such bad shape, the threads are. But yeah, there's the next phase. We got it down to that. I can start cleaning up this beam, cleaning up the centerpiece once I figure out how to get this apart. I'm still trying to decide how to do that without destroying something, so that's on the back burner for now. But there's that. I'll get this right beam put together here as soon as I can get it cleaned up and painted. But there's a little quick Thanksgiving Day update. Y'all, I hope your Thanksgiving goes well if you're watching this today or close to it, and if not, I hope your day's good anyway. Y'all take it easy. We'll talk to you later.